Hello students, hope all of you fine and safe at home. I'm your computer teacher and today in this video I discuss you the computer lesson 2 of class 3. So let's open the lesson. Page number 10, operating system. So what is called operating system? An operating system is a system software that helps the user to interact with the computer. Operating system is a system software which interacts or helps the user with the computer. It helps the computer hardware to work along with the computer software. It also helps the computer hardware to work the computer software. It is like a head or manager who administrates, manages and controls all the tasks that a computer has to perform. So an operating system is the head or manager of control or manages all the perform of the computer. The operating system takes input from the user, passes them to the CPU for processing and gives the final output like the IPO cycle. With the help of IPO cycle, operating system at first takes the input I, then passes them to the CPU for processing P and then gives the final output or result. So through the IPO cycle, it can be done their work. Therefore, every computer must have an operating system to run all the software. So basically, to run all the software, operating system must. Now you see, operating system is a part of system software. It is a part of system software. It performs the basic tasks such as recognize input from the keyboard, then send output to the monitor. It can be sent outputs to the computer. Then keep track of files on the hard disk. On the hard disk, it can be track the files. Control the devices such as printers, speakers, etc. And an operating system also control the devices like printer, speaker, etc. Now we see, when we open the computer, see, you must have observed when you switch on the computer, it takes some time to start. Why it takes some time? This is because the operating system is the first program which is loaded in the computer memory when the computer is turned on. So when the computer is turned on, at first it can be loaded the memory. Actually, it brings the computer hardware to life, and this process is called booting. Now the last point is, without an operating system, the computer will not understand input or and instruction. So basically, without operating system, computer will not be understand inputs and instruction. Now turn to the next page. Now you see, there are types of operating system. There are two types of operating system. One is single user operating system and another is multi-user operating system. Single user operating system, in brief, now I discuss. The single user system allows only one user to work on the computer at any point of time. In single user system, only one person allows to work on the computer at a time. The personal computer which you use at home is an example of single user system. So personal computer are the examples. MS-DOS Microsoft DISC operating system in full form: Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 8 are all single user operating systems. So these are the example. Now multi-user operating system. A multi-user operating system allows two or more users to work on a computer at the same time. So here at the same time, one or two, more than 2 or 3 person has been work at a same time. The computers are either connected to one main computer or all the computers are interconnected in a network. So computers are connected to the main computer or interconnected through the network. Multi-user operating system is used in basically offices, hospitals, railway stations, airports, etc., where a lot of people need to work, because on that place lots of people are need to work and get information from the computers at the same time. Windows 2000, Windows NT, Unix and Linux are examples of multi-user operating system. These are the examples. Now Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system in the world. This is the most popular operating system. It has been developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. From USA it has been developed. When a computer is switched on, when a computer is switched on and booted, you can see there is a Windows flag appear on your computer screen. There is a Windows flag which has been appeared on the screen. Now next page. Now in page number 12, desktop. This first screen that appears on the monitor where you switch on the computer and the Windows welcome messages appears, it is called desktop. So when we open the computer or switch on the computer, this is the first screen which will be appeared. It is called desktop. Desktop is similar to your father's desktop, where you must have seen various things such as files, folders, tablecloth, then calendar and a diary. So in this desktop you can see the files, folders, calendar, diary, etc. You may also find a small dustbin nearby. There is also small dustbin. A computer desktop has some pictures of files, folders, clock, a calendar and a program to do different types of work. There are lots of pictures of files, folders or clock or calendar or program to the different types of work. These are called icons. So these are called icons. It also has a dustbin called recycle bin. There is a dustbin also that is called recycle bin, which contains deleted files. In this recycle bin, contains the deleted files. Desktop is where all the icons and place and where different programs run. In desktop, all the icons are placed and the different programs are done. So that's all for today. I will discuss the next pages next video. Thank you.